Alright, gang. Product review. Went to Harbor Freight. Been needing a little 90-degree die grinder just to clean up little, little corners and edges and crap out here in the smithy. And you never know. My oldest grandson said. It's unboxing. It's pretty humble unboxing. I mean, you get a damn box with the product name and brief description on it. You get 2 wrenches. And you get a tool. Gotta get a nipple. But like I said, the other video about the other tool is they carry their own brand of air fittings. And while you're there, might as well. So almost got me. I got a Harbor Freight air compressor I'm running in there. I gotta get it out. I'm gonna hide it around the corner. I'll do a special on that probably. But anyway. Alright. Central Pneumatic 1/4 inch die grinder. Looks just like the some bitches we get at work, like Florida Pneumatic or whatever. I think they all come off the same Ho Chi Minh product line. So if you pull the damn stickers off, they look the same. Hint, hint. Anyway, I don't know why they do it. They put these safety latches on them damn things, that little flipper flapper. It keeps you from accidentally. Who accidentally does that shit? I mean, are you really? But anyway, those are coming off. Kiss my ass. Health and safety guys and girls out there, that's coming off. You can give me the whole I told you so speech when I cut my fucking finger off. But for today, that's it. Bought 50 foot of freaking hose. I'll pipe this damn thing in. I'll get me a little manifold over here on the wall somewhere, or over here behind you on the wall, so I can just plug in a little 10 foot air hose and run my little tools in this little smithy, and that's it. No real shop beautification. My pile of shit, my scrap iron pile is getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and my forge didn't crank up yet. Got good news. We're gonna get into that, but right now we're gonna drop it off on the Central Pneumatic 90-degree die grinder. One more look at that little gem. It's just sweet and petite. Y'all wish them luck. This and any other tool that I'm using, because I am pretty good with them actually. I'll take care of them. So, like, share, subscribe, comment. This is Mo Damn Tire Crew. Words out.